strobe hits you. Bet you're looking for something new. Staring up across the room.
You were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video of me braiding my entire head. You can find this braiding hair on Amazon. Although I do have these curly pieces, I did not decide to use them today. This braiding gel I never used before. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Usually I will part a row and braid as I go, but honestly it's easier if you just have the parts already ready, so that's what I did today. I did skip to the top of my head because it was just slowing me down recording every step, like every freaking step.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
I got this from Amazon and heats up really quick and it's easier to dip all your hair in there. This is what it looks like when it's ready for you to dip. Here are my flexi rods and perm rods, just deciding what size I want to go with. This time I didn't really like how the curls came out, but it's okay, I don't really care. So I am all finished with braiding my hair. I cut 2 inches off. They still come all the way down to my butt. I have my ends curled. And lastly, I sprayed with olive oil sheen. So giving a rundown on the braiding gel that I use, I think it did good. It sleeked my hair down pretty nice. I do have 3C4A hair, so I think it will work well with any hair type. I will say that if you like a more soft gel, this will be good for you. It was not harsh on my hair at all, but for me, I do like a bit more firm. I will put my favorite braiding gels down in the description if you want to see my go-to. I got this braiding hair from Amazon. I'm always able to find my exact color on Amazon versus the beauty supply store. This hair is so soft. The hair itself was not itchy, but just being on my back, it kind of does feel itchy. It doesn't have a foul smell. I like that a lot. And sometimes it could be a hit or miss, but this one was great. Braids are very versatile. You could do a lot with them. I'm not going to put them in a style right now, but just showing what other styles I can do. Ending off the video, what I like to do to keep the braids fresh for long periods of time, every night before bed I use a satin scarf, just wrap around like a bandana and put my bonnet right on, so the rest of the braids are protected too. I did put down in the description if you guys need me to make another video of giving details on how to do this, I would do so. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!